Again, welcome back to my computer learning series, learning computer with seeing the beautiful sights of Indian village. Now, today's in computer word, I would like to talk about the word originating from letter O, and the first word in this I would like to choose is object program. The first word in series chosen by me is object program. A fully compiled or assembled program, that is a fully compiled or assembled program that is ready to be loaded into a computer. It results from translation of a source program by a language processor. Object, the primitive element of a program written in an object oriented programming language. Object linking and embedding, OLE. Object linking and embedding. A feature found in application software package that allows joining of documents in different applications so that changes in either documents are reflected in other document. Object oriented software design, a technology to make programs generalized and to build software systems by combining reusable pieces of program code called objects. Object oriented database, a database model that captures object oriented concepts such as class hierarchy, inheritance, and methods. Object oriented programming, OOP, object oriented programming, a programming methodology that deals with solving a problem by identifying real world objects of the problem and processing required of those objects and then creating simulation of those objects, their processes, and the required communication between the objects. Object oriented program language, programming language that encapsulates data and sequence of operation into abstract entities called objects, providing a stronger encapsulation mechanism than procedure. Hence, object-oriented programming provides a more powerful modeling tool than procedure-oriented programming. Offline, a device or a system not under direct control of a computer system is in offline. Octal number system, a number system with a base of 8, the octal digit range from 0 to 7. It is used commonly as a shortcut notation for groups of 3 binary digits. Offline data entry devices. Input devices through which data is recorded on some media such as floppies or tapes and then entered later into a computer from the media for processing. Offline storage, a storage in which data is recorded on it using a computer and then it is physically removed or disconnected from the computer for storing away from the computer. Online, a device or a system connected to and under direct control of a computer system. Optical character recognition, OCR device. Optical character recognition device, OCR device. An input device that is able to interpret combination of marks, bars which represents data. Sorry, this is not the we have talked about the optical barcode. Again we see it. Optical character recognition, OCR device, an input device or a scanner equipped with a character recognition software. It is used for inputting text documents and store them in a form suitable for doing word processing of the documents. Optical barcode reader, an input device that is able to interpret combination of marks, that is bars, which represents data. Operation phase, the phase in software life cycle during which the constructed system is used. Operators, symbol used in a programming language to show relationship between two data items. Programmers use them to form all types of expression in programs. Operation code or OP code, the part of a machine level instruction that specifies the operation to be performed. Operating system, an integrated set of programs that controls the resources of a computer system and provides its user with an interface or virtual machine which is more convenient to use than the bare machine. Operand, the part of a machine level instruction that specifies the location of the data to be manipulated. Optical disc, optical disc, a storage medium that consists of a rotating disc coated with a highly reflective metal or some other material. Laser beam technology is used for recording reading of data on the disc, also known as laser disc. Optical fiber, hair thin thread of glass or plastic used as data transmission medium. They use light signals for data transmission. Optical mark reader, OMR, an input device, a scanner that is capable of recognizing a pre-specified type of mark made by pencil or pen. Any input that is of a choice or selection nature can be recorded for OMR input. Optical mouse, a mouse having a built-in photo detector that comes with a special pad with grid lines printed on it. OS capability enhancement software, a special category of software that bridges the gap between functionality of an operating system and needs of users for frequently used programs. OSI protocol, a communication system protocol to interconnect geographically dispersed heterogeneous computers. This protocol has been standardized by the International Standard Organization (ISO), International Standard Organization. Output, information generated as a result of data processing by a system. Output device, a device used in a computer system to supply information and result of computation to the outside world. Monitor, printer, plotter, screen image projector, and voice response systems are some output devices. And the last word in this series is outputting. Process of producing useful information or results for users, such as printed report or visual display. Now with this I end this lecture series. जय श्री राम, जय बजरंग बली, जय हनुमान जी की।